Right. So, good morning, traders. As you can see, we are currently in this micro silver futures trade. We are currently up 180. So far, so good. So, stay tuned. I am going to give you a full breakdown of this trade once we hit TP. This trade is interesting. So, yeah, stay tuned and see y'all in a minute. All right. So, the trade is looking good so far. We still have a long way to go. I mean, not really, but hopefully we should hit our TP very soon. But it doesn't matter. We're in the trade. The trade is looking good. It's heading towards my direction. Now it's just a matter of waiting. Nothing else to do. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll give you a full breakdown of this trade. All right. So as you can see, we're still on in the trade. Right now, the market is about to close in about an hour. It doesn't look like we are going anywhere at this point. So I'm just going to close this trade. I'm not going to lie, the markets have been trashed the past 2, 3 weeks. So yeah, super trash. Super trash. So we have 1 hour left, but I don't think we are going anywhere. So I'm just going to close this trade. And yeah, that's still something, still grateful. So $300.